Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical Coding Club. This is Chandrika, and in this video I have added part 4 mock paper questions. Maybe from some 20 questions I have added. So please do pause the screen and solve the question within the time so that it will help your time management thing. And also, if anyone is looking for CPC revision, which means CPT classes, if you are looking, then you can join my upcoming batch, which is starting from June 18th, and fees will be around 3,000, so that you will be getting a material, mock papers, notes, everything, okay, along with the classes. And yeah, if you are interested, please do WhatsApp me. And if you are looking for a complete course, then that is also starting from June 15th, so you can reach me out on the same number. And if you want to purchase the mock papers, you can visit my website and go to the shopping section. There you can have the resources. From there you can buy this mock paper set for 7,999, so which will contain 600 mock questions with a detailed rationale. So yes, let's begin. So that's all. And here are the answers for the given question. Please do review yourself. And if anything, you can leave your comment. And also 44th question answer I did not mention. If you are aware about the answer, please comment your answer. And also, as I mentioned, this series will definitely help you not only for your CPC exam, but for your strong career foundation as a certified medical coder. Okay, so nowadays many certified coders, CPC certified coders are getting more than 90% because of all the other things, like everything exam is kind of totally compromised. You are getting so much of resource nowadays and important resources, so it is giving you kind of credential that you have passed, but the real task will begin once you're on the floor. Okay, how you will prove your credibility of the certification is very important. So that's why please do aware about all the aspects of your certification. Then only you can become a very excellent or a skilled coder, and you can easily come out of the trainee designation to a junior medical coder, and then you can gradually up to senior coder. Okay, so that's what my intention. Yeah. uh, so thank you all, thank you for watching, and please do wait for part 3, and I'll be posting part 3 on the weekend, because I'll not be having any other work. I'll be creating videos for YouTube, and weekdays means it is very hectic for me to take classes and work, and in middle creating YouTube videos means it is really hard for me. So yes, I hope you understand, and thank you all.